right, I'm going to share with you guys my secret weapon for closing clients. And this isn't something that you can do really at scale. It does take, 5 to 6 minutes to do this, but literally this is the secret weapon for that right type of client that wants to get above the hump, that really kind of needs that little extra push to prove that you guys are different, that you're special. Here's what I do to close business, and it works almost every single time. At a minimum, it's going to build a relationship that you can build off of and hopefully close a client down the road. So here's what it is. Let's get into it. So what I do is I create a Google Doc and I basically name it business name messaging dump. And what I will end up doing is I'll go into ChatGPT and I will use this ad script that I've got and I will create tons of incredible content. The content that we're going to create ends up looking like this. We've got ADA framework, an avatar exercise where we talk about the ideal customer profile, the buying decisions of their ideal customer, the competitive analysis, other businesses in the marketplace and what they're doing. Talk about how you can strengthen your unique selling proposition. We'll go over how to enhance your market position, as well as then we'll get into the product weaknesses and opportunities. We'll talk about how to overcome those weaknesses, what they are, how to address the weaknesses in terms of your overall marketing and brand strategy, how you can leverage your current strengths, and then obviously go to market strategies. Then what I do is I create ad concepts, visual frameworks that we can leverage and use different kind of visual and video creative, and then we go into UGC frameworks. Now we've got 10 different UGC frameworks that I'll create based on the opportunities and the ideal outcomes of the customer for their marketing. Each one of these has a hook, intro, story, education component, strong call to action, and then 2 forms of ad copy, short form and long form. So you can see here just like how powerful this might be for a prospect to see this type of value before even closing the deal. Then what we'll do is I'll create a video sales letter that they can embed and create, put on their collections page or on their sales page above the fold. And then right here, we create 50 viral hook outlines based on our top performing ad creative hooks across the board for all of our brands. And what I'll do is I'll literally just dump all of this into a Google Doc. I'll create all of the prompts here in ChatGPT, and I've got everything copy and paste that you can just literally export it. I will literally just paste everything into this Google Doc right here, and then I'll go into Loom and I'll shoot a Loom video walking the client through what we're doing here, and I'll add that Loom video now. Last step, you basically just put it all in an email, or you can text it to them, even better, or you do both text and email, and you basically leave it open-ended saying, this is the last I'm going to reach out to you. Ball is in your court. Where would you like to go from here? And honestly, every single time you'll get a response, and oftentimes they'll say, let's either have another conversation or B, let's work together. So hopefully this is helpful. And, I'm doing this for some clients today. It's hopefully get a response soon and we can push these guys over the hump.